Make a great choice today with 2006 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, brake assist, wheel covers, driver illuminated vanity mirror, privacy glass, fourth passenger door, front disc rear drum brakes, FWD, steel wheels. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.